Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open and exit the download mode on OnePlus Nord 4 5G. In order to do this, first we need to turn off our device, so press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then slide the white circle towards the power off option. Once the device is off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until you see the logo. So press and hold both buttons, and now we can release them. And after that we should be in the recovery mode, but before that we will need to select the language. There we go. So over here we can select English, and now we are in the recovery mode. Now the next thing that we need to do is use the USB cable, and we need to connect our OnePlus Nord 4 5G to a PC or laptop. So let's use the USB cable. There we go. Once you are connected, then over here at the bottom of the screen you will have the version number. So you want to tap on the version number 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and then you have the download mode. Over here you also have the description. It is worth reading it. Download mode is used only for flashing a new version to your device after you purchase it. If you enter this mode unintentionally, press and hold the volume up and power buttons together to force your device to reboot. So in order to open the download mode, now we need to press OK, and there we go. Now we are in the download mode. On PC you will also hear that the USB has been connected. And now, like it was mentioned, if you want to exit the download mode, if you want to go back to your device, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button. So press and hold them. Keep holding it. You might need to do that one more time. And keep holding it until you will see the OnePlus logo. And there we go. This is how we can exit the download mode. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.